I'm stuck.
Skillshare, not gonna
Help
lie.
me. I'm gonna reset my character.
Reset, dumbass.
Okay.
I finished saying
What?
the art project I'm making.
Nice. This boat though.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
I should be on the top. Oh my
But what
god.
if it tips over?
What?
What if it tips over?
True. Well, how do I get in?
Here, let me just clear all.
Make an opening.
Oh, that made it laggy for me.
Oh,
All right.
okay, load it back
Save.
in.
Right, I am. Show.
Greatest thoughts are creative color.
Get in!
I am. I'll put a chair. A beautiful little chair for me. Yippee.
Yippee.
Kinda sad that we're on green team and not the emo team. Bestie! I can't even see you anymore. Green is not our creative color. I'm gonna have that stuck in my head for forever, aren't I?
It's not even done loading.
It's never done. Oh my god.
Yeah,
There's just cannons.
look at the... Yeah! And the bazooka.
The creation of Earth.
Oh
I'll
my
add
god.
even more onto it if you want.
I think we're fine with this.
No. Adding
I've made it through with this before.
We have a lack.
Wait, we need an emergency elytras.
Oh, you're right. We have a lack of tables.
We do.
And doors. I'm not even gonna save this. This doesn't.
Alright, Bestie, I don't know where you are, but I can't. You just have to click on the jetpack that's on me or something. I don't know. I don't fucking know.
Where? You just put it on the side.
Alright, do you see it? One first person.
Huh?
Oh my god.
What?
Where are you? Oh, okay, I see
I'm like
you.
towards the.
Alright, get it.
Oh. Yippee.
Yay.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes. Launch.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Oh.
This is beautiful.
It's breaking apart in front of us.
I know. It's lagging. Bestie, it's lagging so.
I love this.
Oh my fucking god.
Imagine what everyone in the server thinks.
I know. Here, like, did anyone say anything in the chat? No. Okay. I'm just gonna say trash boat is superior. There we go. I think I spelled that right.
Yeah.
Yippee.
Yay.
For real.
There's nothing really much to, say.
Yeah. It just is. And
Yeah,
people
it's
in the
just
server
that.
they gotta learn to accept that in the server. Oh my word. It's lagging so much.
By the way, viewers, it's literally 10 in the morning right now, and I'm so tired.
I mean, I'm tired too.
You guys, we're literally at the mushroom stage.
I feel like we've already been going forever.
Yeah.
Wait, is the creative song copyrighted and so me saying green is not a creative color? Is it gonna get me in trouble?
Let me see.
I have it stuck in my head. I can't really help it. I feel like I just clicked something. What did I click?
Oh, it's in the Creative Commons.
Yippee. So it's fine that I had it stuck in my head and was just like...
Mm-hmm.
Okay. gonna turn on these balloons. Damn it, I can't. It's too laggy to turn on the balloons.
Yeah, I have like 150 balloons on this.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah,
Those balloons don't even they have like no hit points.
I think I went a little overboard.
Probably.
Never know.
This is beautiful though.
Mhm.
Only about like 1/100th of our blocks fell off. Just getting some beautiful footage of what this trash boat is doing. Trash boat in its natural habitat.
Gloriness.
Oh gosh.
Oh my god.
Okay. Oh no.
Nor.
I hate this.
Nor. It's caving into our boat.
Oh no. Yeah,
Our glorious boat.
You said you've made it before, but the stages change.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Goodbye, fellow blocks.
I think that's the problem though. Not everything is like connected to like the entire thing.
Shut up.
Oh my god.
I'm not gonna be fancy with a freaking boat that takes up my entire inventory.
It's meant to be trash.
That's why we call it trash boat, and that's why it's beautiful.
Oh no, it's gonna get really colorful. By the way, my family still gets mad at me every time I say green isn't a creative color.
Really?
Yes. Every time. Apparently my family's just in love with green.
Bro. Sage green is a very creative color.
Sure, but like I'm just singing the song, Mom. And they're all like, sing the other lyrics. There's gotta be other lyrics in that song. And I'm like, Mom, I don't know the rest of the song. Like the vocal aid one is just like super like fast. And like I don't know the rest of the lyrics. That's the only one I know because it's the most iconic. The one thing about lagging so much is the fact that we stop more, so like we have more time to get hit by things.
I know.
It's really
You're
sad.
so cool.
I know, we're like the best.
You're a total pros at Go Vote for Treasure.
Oh my god. Oh no. We got stuck there.
Oh my fart.
It's taking so long that the things are resetting, bestie.
I know.
Am I still alive? Oh god, I lost my hair.
Oh. You're bald?
I'm bald, but I still have my hat. I still have my hat, and it just makes my forehead look really big.
Hey, I'm gonna look at myself. But yeah, I'm still intact. I'm literally buried. Oh my god, you're bald!
I know! Stop breaking it up.
I'm not gonna stop bringing it up. Like, how you're not gonna stop bringing it up fast as you dance.
Feel bad for these bees. Their hive is just caving in. They're just trying to live their life. Like, why do we do this to them? Have you made it through this level with the trash boat?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll be fine.
Maybe.
Hopefully. Do the bees do damage?
I don't know.
Because they're bumping into us a hell of a lot.
I usually just speed run it with the glue trap thing.
We can't do that with the trash boat.
No, you really can't.
It's really
Kind of
slow.
petty.
It's too slow, bro. Sometime we should make a glue boat and just encase it in stuff and see how far we get without having to use the glue boat itself.
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh my god, we're being colored. Stop coloring us.
I wonder if there's a mayonnaise bottle, if you know what I mean.
Ah! Oh my god, bestie. I don't even like mustard though.
Me neither. I hate ketchup.
I'll eat ketchup, but like, nah, it's not my favorite.
I got traumatized in second grade when I was opening like a packet of ketchup during school lunch, to eat my chicken sandwich. Because at the time I wasn't a vegetarian, and it had all that. I didn't like squish it and stuff. So now, yeah, all the vinegar
Oh,
came out.
the ketchup water.
Yeah, the ketchup water,
Oh
aka
god,
vinegar.
I really hate that. Oh
I
god, I don't
know.
have a chair. Um, um, erm. Oh god,
I
emergency
spawned
jetpack
our
time.
balloons.
Emergency jetpack time. Here, I'm slowly making my way. I'm in the boat again, sort of.
What the
Best.
heck? All right, I'll pop them.
Ah! Okay, I'm in a chair. What was that?
Plot twist: it was emergency jetpack time.
But what was it? Oh yeah. So I don't like the ketchup water either. But I'll eat
Who
like
does
ketchup with
though?
like tater tots because I feel like that's the only way you can really eat the school tater tots.
Yeah.
But like I don't usually ask for like ketchup on my burger.
Either that or like during like pancake days and you get tater tots with it.
Yes.
I mostly use the syrup for it on that day, on those days.
I mean like maple syrup and like bacon is really good.
Oh
I'm going off track here, but you know it's true. Man, now I want bacon.
my god. I want cinnamon
Ah.
rolls.
Um. Oh, we're at the lighthouse.
Yippee! We'll probably have to use the emergency jetpack sometime soon.
Yeah, I mean, I definitely will because I'm out in the open here.
It's kind of a you problem, honey.
God, I thought we were stuck for a second.
Oh my god.
Well, that emergency jetpack really saved me.
For real. You were in panic mode.
Yeah, I was in fight or flight and I chose flight.
Literally.
I wasn't gonna
You
punch the boat.
literally chose flight.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna punch the boat. Don't worry.
I'm still fully enclosed.
Yippee.
I don't know why, I don't know how, but I am. That's always nice.
I just realized that now that I have a YouTube channel, I probably have to change my profile picture because my profile picture is literally an artwork that someone else made. Oh man. I feel like I have to do all God's work with crossovers between the fandoms I like.
For real.
It's just sad because there's
But like
like,
you already have like 15 works in progress. We made it.
but oh yes, but bestie, like an example. There's this one person that I followed on Tumblr for 9art, and they followed me back because I'm awesome, and And then since they were following me and I got into Welcome Home and
Ah!
I was reblogging all of that Welcome Home art and stuff, they got into it
Oh,
too.
nice.
It's like, yippee. Oh my god. No,
Ha ha
not
ha.
the harpoon!
The harpoon.
We're stuck now.
I'm too proud.
Eh, eh, eh. Let go. I'm not helping. Yippee!
How are we gonna get out of this? We're just gonna have to wait for it to despawn.
Well, I can get out.
Shut up.
Yippee! Bye-bye.
Shut up.
Perks.
Shut up.
Oh my god.
I'm trapped.
That sounds like a you problem, bestie.
Shut up.
You're kind of stuck.
Yeah, I'm kind of stuck.
This is
Let me go in first. I'm stuck in the blocks. I'm not just stuck. I'm stuck in the blocks. I'm out. I'm free.
Well, now I'm
Haha, skill issue.
Nah, I'm fine. Wait for me. Where are you?
My hat's gone. Your hair's gone.
I have a hat. You have hair. Give me. We can trade.
Yay, gold.
Yippee. I didn't get any gold on my screen.
Oh, that's kind of you problem, honey.
No, don't join my team. Here, wait, let me. Okay, there we go. I just had to walk up to it again.
Yay.
Yippee! You want to build a glue boat?
Hi.
I'm just gonna build a quick glue boat, and then we can,
I'll do that too.
we can troll people with our hack.
That we totally made up.
Yeah, definitely. Totally figured this out by ourselves. I love the glue. Yippee!
My arms are stuck.
Yippee! Hi, person who's just trying to do
Hi!
nothing.
They're so new.
Oh my
Let me
god.
see.
Hi. Oh my god.
Oh, they have like creepy animated faces.
Oh god, not the creepy animated face. Where do you even get those?
Roblox, the store. It's literally free.
Oh my god, they don't speak English.
Am I purple?
Purple? Yep.
No hablo inglés. Alright. What, Faith?
This is the person that tried to
Okay,
join our
loser.
team. Get off my glue boat!
Shut your big fat booty up! Butt hole.
What?
Oh man. Let me see. Butt
Let you say, give
hole.
me more.
Eh.
Oh my god, they're all individual teams except us. Hello, good sir.
Hello, loner. Oh my god, I'm literally spinning. I'm at yellow team. Help me.
Imagine being on a team alone.
Alright.
Alright, let's just... Oh, yippee. Let's just go.
Let's leave these kids alone.
Yeah, they've been through a lot. Ah! I fell. Oh my god. Ah, no.
What the fart is going on? Ah! I fell!
Imagine.
Shut
I fell
up!
too! I died. I'm dying.
Haha! Skill issue, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm dieting.
One of my glue blocks are off, but I'm still flying. Yay.
Bestie, can you come pick me up?
Bestie, no. Gonna cry. I'll wait for you.
I'm literally not even flying.
Well, imagine saying hashtag because they don't want to play with a noob.
I don't speak tags, sorry.
You're admitting that you're a knob.
Noob. Oh my gosh.
Imagine saying people.
People? We
didn't.
speak tags. What more explanation do you need?
We're so nice.
Their name is literally Sus. Oh, I don't get what. Yes, you really are though. He really is. God damn it. Okay, gotta wait to be fully healed. You're the one speaking it? What do you mean? Oh my god, this guy is so dumb.
I know.
Is he gonna say the F word? Gasp! Imagine saying the word. Bro,
Anyways, I'm gonna
I
report
don't
them.
care.
You're so quirky.
Bro, don't care either. But you started talking. This entire conversation is just this guy
For real.
trying to be nice and trying to be smart and like he's so quirky.
Anyways, I'm gonna die and then go to their base.
Okay.
You should too.
No, I'm trying to make it as far as I can by just climbing on the walls.
We
We didn't call you trash.
trash. What if I just attach a bazooka to the glue trap?
Yes, dude, and attach a harpoon so you can pull him into the water.
Yes.
We'll just troll him. You're blaming us for what we didn't do. Oh my god.
Is that a problem? You're making it a problem.
Nah, you did. What do you mean, dummy?
Micah.
What is he even trying to say?
Stupid.
Oh. This guy he is stupid though. Bro really said mic up. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. I gotta do the sunglasses. Said mic up. I'm literally blue. Don't give him the opportunity to say that we did call him trash. Don't give him. For real, for real.
Wow.
Probably doesn't even know. Oh my god. I am literally just, like, not even limbs anymore. You can't, lol. I don't like this game. Then why
Okay, they don't play it.
are you playing? Oh my gosh.
I love how you're recording.
Yes! Oh, I died.
Oh, excuse me. La mama ammo.
I'm trying to say Lamau. You know you can't say Lamau. If
I
he
say
asks, it's a
lamo.
key smash. If she breathes, she's a square.
Are you gonna go with me? Are you gonna go to the red base with me?
Yes. Actually, wait, I don't think we can make a glue boat and attach anything to it.
No.
Here, I'll just go over there.
It's over here.
I know. Ah! Yippee! I do. Yeah, no shit. Bro, I don't have ISO. What's ISO?
What the fuck is ISO?
I don't freaking know. Bro, what is this, wood? I'm gonna touch grass. Imagine touching grass.
Have fun.
What did you call him? What did you say? He should launch his boat. Oh my fucking god, this man.
They're literally going AFK. They're not going outside to do all that.
Bye-bye. Oh.
But he literally disappeared.
Imagine
What
this.
happened to him?
Okay. Our job here is
He
done.
left!
But, like, their boat is still here? Oh.
There we go.
It was just because we were sitting in it. Alright. Let's go troll some people with the harpoons.
Mhm.
Why am I so much shorter? I suddenly got
Oh
very
my
short.
god!
I get very short in this game for, like, no reason. I'm very stubby.
Death. Suicide. Why are you walking still?
I don't know.
My head. I zoomed in and, like, my head was literally tumbling. Or what are we gonna make?
Just like a small
Oh my
boat.
god, someone's doing the ramp quest. Do you want to help destroy their quest and help it not work?
I don't think you can go in when the barriers are there.
Shut up.
I'm just making a teeny tiny little boat that I can put a
Okay,
harpoon
nerd.
on. What?
Okay, nerd.
Hmm.
Yeah. Oh my god. Right. Oh my god.
What?
That's the most overpowered boat I've ever seen.
I know, right? Where's the chair that I'm looking for? Bro, there it is. Yippee! I can't sit in it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Bestie, I can't even sit in the chair. Okay, let me try now. There we go. Alright. Oh god, no!
You said alright!
I said alright because I got in the chair, bestie.
You can't get in it!
What? You can?
You can get in it.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Am I gonna
I'm
like
literally
burn?
on top of the ramp right now.
Oh, I burned. I burned.
Haha.
Imagine.
What is purple doing? They're at the mushroom stage.
They're the one doing the ramp?
Uh-huh.
I don't know how that's possible.
I literally burned myself.
Good. Imagine burning yourself. But, do you watch Ordinary Sausage?
What?
Ordinary Sausage?
Mm-hmm.
Well, Mrs. Sausage, you know. Her voice, literally, every time I hear it, I immediately think Karen Dunn from Dialtown.
Oh my god.
For, like, no reason. And I have voice headcanons now. I never thought this would happen.
Where are we going?
I don't know. It's wherever. Wherever is... Okay, let me get a harpoon this time. No, you can't join our team. Stop asking. Alright. Ready.
Wait, where are we going again?
Just anywhere we control someone. So I can
Okay,
finish. Oh no.
Ah!
My boat. Let's go...
Not blue,
Yellow.
because they're already...
Oh, yellow's launched too. So who is
Should we
it?
do red?
Red, yeah. Oh my fucking... Hi!
Oh my god!
Hi! I can't let go of this harpoon, bro. This won't let go. Green is not that creative color. Oh my god. Oh, I can't get back in the boat. Ayo. Oh, did he reset?
I think. No, he did. Yeah, he did. No, you killed him in the water.
Oh, yippee. Oh god, the harpoons are glitching out, bro.
Oh my god.
Where'd he go?
I think he died.
No, he's still here. Where? Oh, he's over here. I can't... Oh, my boat's back upwards. Yippee.
I love this.
I can't drive without it flipping out, though. It's because I'm on land. Come here, buddy. Wait, green is not a creative.
They reset again.
Oh my god.
Dean the Mean Machine.
What?
16.
What?
Someone's display name on here is Dean the Mean Machine 16.
Oh, that rhymes. Ah!
Wow, really?
No!
What the fart? What?
They
No!
did one of the challenges. They got us out of there.
I'm still over here.
You're still in there?
Yeah.
I died.
Oh, that's kind of a scary show.
I died it did.
You died it did.
Okay, this time I'm literally just going a chair and a harpoon. And an engine, obviously. The fuck? Hello! Let's see if we can troll anybody else some more. Bestie! Make a glue boat!
Oh my god! Don't pressure me! Oh my god.
What was that? What was that?
I don't know. And I don't want to know. Oh my god. What was that?
I don't know. But
I didn't even make it.
got that on video, bro.
Shut up.
Why'd you just put a hinge down there? Yippee!
Should we go to blue?
Blue is... okay. Are they not launched?
No.
Yippee! Oh my god, my boat toppled over again.
Yep, she's over here. Mahimi_47.
Yippee!
Oh, she got the animated faces.
Oh my god. Ah! She's struggling. She's fighting back. Bestie!
Yeah, I don't know what to do with that.
What happened? Ah! I'm Oh my god. I only put one harpoon down. She's gonna get free.
No, she's set free. There
Oh my god. Loser.
we go. Wait,
Oh,
she reset.
god damn it.
I was moving her body parts around. Something's wrong.
Oh my god.
Ah!
The boat.
Don't harpoon me. Hey, get back over here.
I can't. The boat is glitching like crazy. Okay, there we go. Sort of. It's sort of working. It's sort of working. Bestie, help me. Rita's not so creative. Color. She's in a chair. No.
She's in a chair.
This isn't cool, bro. Bestie. Do you feel betrayed? Oh my god! Yippee!
Yippee.
I almost said Tippy. I'm gonna go die now.
As you should.
I gotta make
Should
it
we
more
finish
even.
Bestie, should we finish the recording for today?
Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching and bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.